Hey good, welcome to my channel Mother Touch. See who we have today. Meet Rhea Garg. Hi. 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 She's 5 months today, and today I thought of uploading a 5-month update video, as I watched too many girls uploading that 1 month update, 2 month update, every month's update of their child. So I thought of putting it on YouTube. It will be a kind of a record for her, like what she did this month and what happened to her and everything that she played with, everything. So I know she's frustrated because she's teething. Probably teething, right? Okay, so first thing first, she has started screaming a lot. So she screams like when she's excited, when she's hungry, she screams like ah! Like that. So, secondly, this month we had pretty tough time because for around 1 or 2 weeks she had eczema. So we had to go to pediatrician. Pediatrician told us not to use any products because she's allergic to everything. So we didn't use any products. So now her eczema is gone, is cured properly. Another thing I want to share that she had allergy. She had allergy. When eczema was cured, she was okay for a week or so. Hi. She was okay for a week. Her face was pale and her face was white. But after that, she got allergy. Allergy from, I think, from bed sheets, because she started taking turns. She started rolling up. She started rolling over on her stomach. So she rubbed her face a lot many times on the bed sheet, and due to which she got the allergy. So for around 3-4 days she had to itch everywhere. She was itching very badly, and one time the blood also came. So after that we went to the pediatrician and he gave us anti-allergy drops. So after that she was okay. She started putting everything in her mouth. She grasps everything, and see how she's asking for me to give her the toy. So she's actually grasping everything, and it's very tight. Her fist is very tight, and then she starts to put it in her mouth. Next thing is about sleep. So her sleep is pretty well. We actually bought crib this month and she started sleeping in that, which is pretty awesome because now she has her own bed. But it was pretty bad for me because I felt like I was sleeping with somebody, with a little person from last 5 months. Now she's not there with me, so it's difficult for me to give up for her, like to put her in the crib. So it's very difficult for me, but I know it's a different skill for her, so I have to manage that. So I'm good with that. Okay, she plays more now because she's grown up and she's big. She's playing a lot, but she needs more attention. So she doesn't let me cook, she doesn't let me work, and she doesn't let me clean anything. So within 2 minutes she starts to scream, or she starts to like, come on, pick me up, something like that. So she doesn't cry, but she does all the noises that she makes through her mouth. So that actually she's a happy baby, very happy baby, but she doesn't cry at all, hardly, when she's very hungry and I'm not there. So she coos a lot because she needs more attention. That's it. See, she wants to put this thing in her mouth, but I'm not allowing her, so she's, oh, please give it to me, please give it to me. Hi! Hi! This is her another favorite toy. She smiles a lot. She's laughing. So I'll share a few videos of her where she's laughing and she's smiling all the time. She's definitely teething. See, she's drooling and she's teething a lot because she's touching her gums from upwards and downwards. So she's definitely teething. Okay, she started, if we do hello, so she does the hello. Hello, hello, hello. Now she wants to play with the toys, but most of the time, 99% of the time, she does that. Hello. Okay. Hello. 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 Okay, she tries to sit now. So she's 5 months. So I think by next month or so she will start sitting. When I just pull her, so she takes her neck and she tries very hard to sit, but she's not able to balance herself. So but she's rolling very well. So she takes half roll there or there. So it's like within seconds. If I leave her for seconds, so she rolls over, which is very funny because I leave her for 5 seconds and I come back and find her in different position. So it's very funny. Oh shit! तेरे को चोट तो नहीं लगी? Okay, that's it from my side. Please give a big thumbs up, share and subscribe for more updates on her, on my motherhood tips. I'll definitely share my tips. This is my first time as a mom, but I have learned a lot and I'm really learning and want to share everything that I've learned. So hope you like it. Give a thumbs up. Thank you. We'll see you. Bye. शुरू करें?